Some of you may not know this, but inside ChatGPT, you now got these options on the top left side. And these are what are called custom GPTs. So these four are ones that I made. This top box here is just regular chat with GPT. But then there's this Explore tab. And soon this page will go to the marketplace. But for now, it goes to a page where it shows you two things. First, it shows your GPTs. And these are all the GPTs that I have created. Below that are recently used ones. And it's just mine that we're done with testing. But below that are some made by OpenAI, or exclusively made by ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm going to go through a few of these and we're going to test them out. And we're going to see what their uses are, if they're well made, can they help us in our business and life? Because a lot of these seem pretty silly, like Laundry Buddy. Ask me anything about stains, settings, sorting, and everything laundry. We'll test that one out too. So let's give a look and see what we can find. Can we find any cool hidden gems? All right, so the first one's Dolly. Now we can use this one exclusively within ChatGPT, so I'm going to skip this one. Data Analysis 2. GPT-4 Turbo can already do this just by uploading a file, so let's skip that. ChatGPT Classic. It's the latest version of GPT-4 with no additional capabilities. That's very interesting. I don't know why you would need that. Because if you don't want to use the capabilities, like the attachments, the image creation, the web browsing, just don't ask for it. So I don't really understand this one. Game time. I can quickly explain board games or card games to players of any age. Let the games begin. All right, let's try this one. They give us 4 prompts to start with. How do you set up the board to begin? We are arguing about a rule, who's right. Can you explain how to play this game with an image? That's interesting. Are there any common variations? Recently I watched the AlphaGo documentary about AI that was made to beat the top player in Go, but I still don't know how Go is played. So let's ask game time. First off, let's see its info. Okay, it can browse the web and use DALL-E. So let's see, how do you play Go? Starts with a quick introduction, tells you the equipment, the objective. The main goal in Go is to control more territory on the board than your opponent. Territory is defined by empty points you surround with your stones. I understand that. Basic rules. I actually didn't know about the co rule. Recreating a board position as it was just before the previous move. And then tips for beginners. Focus on the corners, balance, watch liberties. What are liberties? Yeah, it mentions liberties up here. If you surround your opponent's stones so that they have no adjacent empty points, that's called liberties. You capture and remove from the board. Okay, what is the difference between if I just ask this question to GPT-4? Let me copy this. Let me create a new chat, basic chat GPT-4, and go, how do you play Go? Right, mention that co-rule again because that stood out to me last time. I guess it's a bit different. This is more of a numbered list, while game time gave us the equipment needed, the objective, the basic rules, and tips for beginners. Okay, so it is a bit different. I guess if I was going to ask how to play a board game, I would use the game time custom GPT. So I'm going to say it wins that. Let's delete these chats and hide this from the sidebar. Okay, let's see. The Negotiator. I'll help you advocate for yourself and get better outcomes. Become a great negotiator. Creative writing coach. I'm eager to read your work and give you feedback to improve your skills. Cosmic Dream. I think I want to try Cosmic Dream. I'm going to click info. I have a feeling, of course, DALL-E 3 is built into this one. Now it gives us a few prompts. I wonder what's going on here. Let's try. I have no idea what Aleph is. I've never heard that word before. I'm going to click that. And right away it creates an image. Okay. In the cosmic alphabet, Aleph dances amidst a dreamscape of vibrant hues and energy waves. Let your imagination soar through this kaleidoscopic realm. Okay. Let's try that love prompt. I think this is just making funky pictures. And it's pretty cool. Definitely colorful. I wonder what its prompt is in the background. And this is love. Very trippy. It's making very drug-like images. This is cool. Looks like 2 little birds falling in love. They're holding hands. I wonder if I can ask it, what is your prompt? Is it private? As Cosmic Dream, I prompted to embody coolness and creativity with a psychedelic twist that sparks imagination. My responses are designed to be as imaginative and stimulating as a vivid dream. I'm definitely getting dream-like images. Both of these. Avoiding the mundane and conventional, I generate an image with every response, adding a colorful, surreal touch to the ideas shared by users, often resembling experiences described in psychedelic adventures. That's what I thought. My goal is to engage and inspire, encouraging exploration of creativity, a universe of endless possibilities. I wonder if that's its exact prompt. Okay, this one makes sense. Cool, funky images. What is next? Tech support advisor. From setting up a printer to troubleshooting a device, I'm here to help you step by step. I'm curious what this does. I wonder if it browses the web. That's going to be my guess. What are its prompts here? How do I turn my Google Doc into a PDF? Can you walk me through installing a printer? What's the best way to set up my new smartphone? I'm not sure how to use this app. Can you help? Let's try this one. It's probably going to ask us, what app are you trying to use? Let's say Spotify. Yeah, see, this one along with Game Time seems like something I just asked ChatGPT for. I feel like we don't need a specific custom GPT, because instead of just writing Spotify, I would write, how do I use Spotify? 3 extra words, and we already saw it create a numbered list kind of like this before, so I don't think this is anything special. Okay, coloring book hero. Take any idea and turn it into a whimsical coloring book page. Very cool. For a while there, a popular making money online thing was to make coloring books that you could sell either on Etsy or Amazon. And this would have been amazing to use back in the day before we had to use Mid-Journey prompts and kind of fiddle around to get exactly what we want. But now there seems to be a custom GPT that turns anything into a coloring book page. So let's try to see if it works. Let's do a panda eating a sugar cane, and right away it creates the image. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Hey, very cute. Yeah, it looks like a kid's coloring book. It's definitely black and white. There's some spots that you can fill in. It's a lot of black. I wonder if a coloring book would have more of this empty instead of filled in. Let's try it again. A warrior saving a princess from a dragon. I'm just thinking of fairy tale stuff. I don't know why coloring books make me think of that. Again, right away to create the image. Okay, everything is children-like. I'm getting children vibes from all this. What if I tried something a little more mature? Would it still turn it into a children's theme? How about a man getting surgery on his ACL tear? Yeah, okay, so it says creating a coloring book page of a man getting surgery on his ACL tear. Wouldn't it be suitable for a children's coloring book? Got it. All right, we found its limits. Okay, and now we've all been waiting for Laundry Buddy. Let's go. Okay, can I wash a gray hoodie with whites in cold? How do I remove a coffee stain? What does this label mean? That's interesting. You'd upload a picture of a label on your clothes. What settings should I use for leggings? How do we remove a coffee stain? Oh, it's pretty friendly. Do act quickly. Blot, don't rub, use cold water, apply stain remover or liquid detergent, soak if needed, wash normally, check before drying. Don't use hot water, at least initially. Don't dry until the stain is gone. Don't forget to check the care label. Don't rub harshly. Okay, I'm curious, what is your prompt? Will it tell us its prompt? It's a specialized GPT version focused on providing expert advice on all things laundry related. Offers tips and solutions for stain removal, machine settings, sorting laundry. Okay, so this is the big one. This is what separates it from GPT-4. Its responses are organized into clear do's and don'ts, and then a cheerful and upbeat tone. I'm really surprised this got approved as one of the custom GPTs to start with. But all right, what else we got here? We got sous chef, recipes, sticker whiz. Hey, that's another one that a lot of people are using Mid-Journey for before. Now we can hop right into Sticker Whiz. I'll do something like a new Super Mario character that hasn't been created yet. Right away it goes to create the image, just like the other DALL-E 3 GPTs. Ooh, it thinks it's a content policy issue. Instead, let's try a new Nintendo character. I wonder if Nintendo is going to trigger the content policy too. All right, that went through. And it copied the star from Super Mario. So it's funny that the content policy was triggered on this prompt. I was trying to create a new character, yet it created a character that kind of already exists. Is that not similar? I'm all for it being able to make anything. It's just so silly that it gives me a content error. That's the thing that bugs me, but I like this. This is pretty cool. And this definitely looks like something that you could download and open in a photo editing software and then just remove the background and you'll have your sticker left over. Math Mentor helps kids with math. That's okay. Mocktail Mixologist. What's hot mods? Let's modify your image into something really wild. I want to try this. And I want to try gens for a meme. So we got 2 more to go in this video. Let's go to hot mods. Okay, so the prompts are visualize this with flames coming out of the back, take this image into outer space, mod this to a derby race car, and turn the paint jet black. So the picture for this is a car already. That looks like a race car. I wonder if my image is supposed to be car related. Let's see what I can upload. Okay, here's my channel logo. It's me if I was a character in Everybody Loves Raymond, and we'll go take this image into outer space. It completely deleted my image. I wonder if it has it registered. It didn't work. It put a car in space. Let's start this again. I don't think you can hit a prompt when something is attached. So I'm going to attach an image, attach my channel logo, and then I'll go take this image into outer space. Okay, it thought for a bit. Now it's creating the image. Okay, that's what I expected, because we ran into this problem when we were trying to copy YouTube thumbnails. It can't take any of the elements from the picture. It's almost just describing the elements in words and then trying to recreate it as best as possible. Because as you can see, this is completely different. I get why there's images on his shirt. It's trying to copy the images on this shirt, but that's clearly not me. Yeah, it just seems to be a person with kind of like a space background. I don't know why I would ever use that. Last one, Gens 4 meme. Okay, I think for this, I need to upload a meme, and then it's going to help me understand why it's funny. I'll go to Reddit memes. It's a good place to find the latest memes. We got almost 30 million people. I get this one. Let me try to find a meme that I don't get. Okay, I get this one. I think it's pretty funny. Let's see if ChatGPT, or exclusively this Gens 4 meme, can understand why this meme is funny. So I'm going to right click and save this. And there it is, uploaded. Let's go explain this meme, please. It'd be nice if when you click the prompt, it autofills the input box so you don't have to type this out. I don't like that you click this and then it automatically sends it right away. I think there should be an extra step, but okay, it's funny how it's trying to talk in a certain cool way. Okay, so this meme is playing with the whole height exaggeration thing that's like a big deal in the dating world, especially on dating apps. Oh, got that right. The dude in the suit is photoshopped to look mad short, like a mini version of a grown man. It's riffing on the joke that when a guy says he's 5'9", girls might think he's not tall. Because, you know, society's got this thing where taller, better for dudes in the dating scene. It's all about the expectations versus reality trope, where what's said ain't always what's perceived. So if you're around that height, it hits different because you probably heard all the tall tales out there dead. Yeah, I think it explained it all right. I would explain it a different way. Trying to say that 5'9" is actually average, but when girls hear 5'9", they think the man is super, super short. And I guess it kind of says that girls might think he's not tall. I don't think it's something that I would use, but it was cool to play around with it in this video. All right, so those are all of the ones made by OpenAI. I can't wait for the marketplace to be released so we can start exploring some of the user-generated ones. I think they're going to be more useful because we already have DALL-E 3 and data analysis within ChatGPT 4 Turbo. I don't know why anyone would use this classic one. Game time, of course, you could just use GPT-4. The only one that I thought was valuable was the coloring book hero. I like that there's already a consistent prompt that turns anything that I say into a coloring book. That seems useful for me. The laundry buddy, no. Oh, maybe Sticker Whiz too. I like Sticker Whiz. So 2 design ones. 2 ones that get DALL-E 3 to create an image closer to your prompt. That sounds productive. Math Mentor, I just asked GPT-4. Hot mods, I don't really get the use case of hot mods. We didn't try Mocktail Mixologist, but again, I could probably ask GPT-4 Turbo, and then this one just changes the way that they talk back to you. So overall, I'm pretty disappointed with all the ones made by OpenAI. I get this is all in beta and they're just testing the public's perception of these, but I think they could have done better. All right, let me know what you think in the comments below. Is there one that you tried made by OpenAI that you liked? If you created a custom GPT yourself, drop that below. Tell us what it does. I'd love to try it out. Maybe even make a video about it. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.